Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Thursday, February 7th. Dow Jones Industrial Average down 220. A lot of red in the screen today. Today was sort of an odd day. We came in here and we've got actually a lot going on. So we've had a major rally coming out of December lows. We had an incredible January, biggest one up 14%. We had a great first week of February. Market seems solid. The trajectory seemed up. Earnings were okay. There were some headwinds in it, but it felt like there was money coming into the marketplace, and it really felt that the market was on its way back up. Then we come into today, and we've seen, look, markets can pause after great, fast and furious rallies. There can be consolidation. That's healthy for the market. Today, it seemed like the sell-off, which got down as low as 400 points at one point, seemed a little more for me sort of as a function or a manifestation, a lot of negative information. So the meeting between President Xi of China and Trump seems to be off the table for March. Kudlow came back into the situation, and while he's normally the closer and the one who keeps a positive tack on what's going on, talking about trade, he said we're far off from a deal on that end. That was a negative posture. Europe and Brexit, EU and UK both said that we're looking at slowing economic growth. In that respect, that was another negative thing coming off the table. S&P predicting that the first quarter earnings estimates coming into 2019 were basically going to be at zero. And the relative strength index, the RSI, basically was in way overbought mode after the incredible rally of 14% in January and the beginning of February. And so that put the headwinds into this market. So no, one day does not make a market. So let's go with that. Today the market did rebound from the lows of, look, it's a lot of red in the screen. You've got the oil down, you got transports down, the Dow down, Russell and the S&P were a little down. So it felt like not only was there a pause consolidation, but it was definitely a conviction selling relative to all the news that had come out. So I'm going to just stick with that. One day does not make a market. And that's about it. You know what? I'm thinking we may rebound tomorrow. We may continue the sell-off. It is the beginning of February. There's so much more to be had. But today definitely was a headline-driven, news-related negative narrative that caused some selling into the market. Volume was 950. That's significant. When it sold off, it did that in a significant fashion. Did it bounce off the lows? Yes, absolutely. But we still closed in the red. That's all I really want to say for today. NYSE Einstein, Inside First Shot from the floor of New York Stock Exchange. I'll see you tomorrow.